one challenging experience I have overcome in the past year.
Was balancing school work and family responsibilities. There were times I felt really tired and overwhelmed, but I managed to perform.
One challenge I overcome this past year was balancing my academic responsibilities with personal problems at home. There was time when I felt overwhelmed and exhausted, but I know I had to keep going and stay focused on my goal.
Honestly, one of the most challenging experiences I faced this past year was managing my study while dealing with personal and emotional struggles. There were moments when I felt like giving up, but I pushed through because I didn't want to disappoint myself and the people who believe in me.
My determination and time management really helped. I learned to organize my schedule and remind myself that hard work pays off. I also prayed and talked to friends when things got hard.
The personal qualities that I helped me were determination, patience, and faith. I also learned to manage my time better by creating a schedule and setting priorities. Talking to my friends and family also helped relieve my stress and remind me that I am was alone.
What really helped me was my determination and my patience. I tried to stay positive even when things weren't going well. I also learned to organize my time better and to take short breaks when I feel so tired. Talking to friends and also helped me release stress and seeing things from a better perspective.
I learned that I'm stronger than I thought and that I can stay calm even when things are stressful. I realized I can handle more responsibilities than I expected.
What did I learn about myself during that time? I learned that I am stronger and more capable than I thought. Even when things get hard, I realized I can adapt and find ways to move forward. I also discovered that asking for help is not a weakness, it's part of being realized.
What did I learn about myself during that time? I learned that I'm stronger than I thought. Even when life feels heavy, I can still keep moving forward. And I realized that challenges can actually help me grow and become more mature.
Right now, my main sources of stress are school deadlines, financial challenges, and trying to keep my grades up while helping at home.
What are the current sources of stress in my life? My main sources of stress are school requirements, financial struggles, and trying to maintain a healthy balance between studies and personal life. Sometimes it feels like everything is happening all at once.
What are the current sources of stress in my life? Right now, my main stress comes from school requirements and deadlines. Sometimes it feels like there's so much to do in so little time. Balancing academics, personal life, and responsibilities can be really tiring.
I think I need to take more short breaks, talk to supportive friends, and keep a journal to release my thoughts and emotions.
What support or strategies might help me cope better? I think I need to continue organizing my time, take breaks when I feel tired, and practice self-care. Having supportive friends, teachers, and family members also help a lot. I learned that staying positive and focusing on what I can control makes a big difference.
What support or strategies might help me cope better? I think what can really help me is having a good time management and taking care of my mental health. I also find it helpful to talk to people I trust when I feel stressed. Simple things like resting, praying, or listening to a music can also help me relax and focus.
Straight, determined, organized, and positive thinker. Challenges, balancing school and personal life. Support strategies, keep using time management tools, take regular breaks and lead friends and friends for for motivation.
Strength. Hardworking, emotional, aware, and resilient. Challenges. Managing stress and self-doubt. Support strategies. Practice self-care routines. Talk to mentors. And focus on small daily wins.
Ano, pre?